Good day, everyone. Today we're switching to daylight saving time, so I would like to take advantage of this to show you how to adjust your clock also. So let's get in the car, scroll to Vehicle and click, then scroll down to Settings and click, scroll down to Date and Time and click again. There we have date and time. So daylight saving time is right there, but let's go over how to adjust your clock also. So scroll to time, click, and there we go. You see the GPS time, I have it checked, so it's going to pull the time from GPS. If we uncheck that, you can manually adjust your time and your date. Let's go ahead and check back and get back out, and then we can see daylight saving time right there. So let's check that. And that's all we have to do. As you can see, the time has already adjusted back to daylight saving time. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.